Let's go mga tik-tik, mga bahog tik-tik. Tara mga loves, tara. Kasi po ang ating asawa, maghatid kami ng pagkain at saka wine. And my husband, meron siyang a lot of M&M's and I have a lot of marami akong KitKat mga loves, bao, no? What do you think? He's the only one who how to bring sweets? Because I will collapse myself mga loves if I don't bring any. So, what else do I have? I need my cell phone. Can I turn... Ano ngayon? 31. And congrats po sa mga nanalo. Thank you for sharing sa ating mga videos, mga loves. Thank you po. And sana po makapagtampal-tampalan tayo kahit mga tag 300 or 500, no? So no, hopefully mga very soon. Hopefully this 2024 makapag-ano tayo ng tampalan kasi ini-stop ko muna yun mga loves. Ang dami kong responsibilidad sa buhay. Ay, gusto ko nang i-cut off yung mga responsibilidad sa buhay sa Pilipinas. Ay, nakakaloka na. Hoy, what's in your fan? You just packed stuff. La love. Hi. Han, am I very annoying? Don't laugh. Smile. Look at me. Am I annoying, Han, or just me? Do you like me?
Of course I like you. What stupid thing is that?
Of course I like you. Oh, you like me. You don't love me. Slowly. Ako, let me do it. Come on. There you go. So, my husband liked me. Amazing, love. Thank you for liking me, Han. Thank you for liking me, ha? It's amazing you like me because you told me the other day you hate me.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You said, I hate you by buying that Toblerone.
No, I didn't. Keep making crap up.
Hey, loves, mga loves. Mga lalabs, mga darling, mga sweetheart, mga labidabdab. I like annoying my husband. Is it like, sabi ko, Han, can you let your tongue out? Han, can I see your tongue out? Colorful. Iminis, mga loves. Ay, parang siyang bata, mga loves. Nag-ano nang... Hala, text Isabel, Han? Can you text her?
I'll call her.
Because, like...
We have to get to 84.
Yeah, because there's no signal here.
And I bought my wife for her trip to the Philippines. So we'll go back 10 years ago. It was like $120 or some crap.
Yeah, it's supposed to be back. Yeah.
But I figured it was important because on a long flight, your iPad, you know, she was traveling.
I'm sure that's what they want for the generation. This guy is really...
Here we go. My wife loves to be a driver. Makes her feel special.
Special?
Special ed.
I'm driving you.
We're driving down to Eastchester.
Eastchester, Westchester.
Well, Westchester, but Eastchester's a town.
Ikaw, not on your show.
We're going to Eastchester.
Highway, mga loves, and there's a lot of cops kasi, you know,
It's New Year's Eve, so there'll be tons of cops on the road.
later there's gonna be a lot of drunk people.
There'll be hundreds of cops on the highway pulling them over.
Kaya hindi ko, that's why I don't let Tommy drive, mga loves.
Yeah. What?
Because he speed up. No. I really like driving, right, Han?
Yeah.
Because if I'm just a passenger, I'm restless anyway. I keep telling my husband, can you slow down?
Yeah, pretty much. She's not driving, she's telling somebody else how to drive.
Because I'm so kind of like nervous-y. Nervous man ako, man. Nervous.
The clouds don't look great today, but that's what it is.
Han, it's ugly, Han. No matter what you do, I'm ugly.
It's not true.
I am ugly.
I just like to say that.
Thank you, love. Do you love me?
I do love you, Aunt.
Aw, you're so cute. You're so cute.
Don't get a ticket for speeding.
No, I'm fine.
Otherwise, you won't be driving no more.
No, I'm fine. Susundin ko. Punta kami sa ano mga loves ba, sa Trader Joe's. Grabe yung traffic hanggang still in the road, right honey?
Yeah.
The traffic eh.
2 roads.
Iya, grabe. Sabi ko bumalik kami sa Agi. Bumalik kami sa Agi dahil ano, sobrang daming tao doon. Meron lang sana akong bibilhin sa Trader Joe's ba kasi paborito ko yung tindahan na yan. Bibilhan ng mga shrimp tempura, yung sticky rice na spicy Korean style. Pero my goodness mga darling, sobrang ano, traffic. Ay, Sunday han, and then New Year han. That's what happening. That's what happening.
Yeah, well, I don't think you will be shopping.
They're right at the traffic light.
Huh?
I don't think you will be shopping for something today. Some Big Joe stuff.
There's no more, it's just busy, right? Bank. So this is ice.
Yeah. It's like an ice skating rink.
And your turtle is hungry? Look, he's
He
looking at
should
you,
be.
Han.
Look at all the
Han,
food
he's
that's
looking
left
at
on
you.
the bottom.
Yeah, but he don't want to eat.
He doesn't eat. I just bought blueberries. I want to try blueberries for him.
This one right here I like, look. They're like inside the snow thing.
Little guy.
He was over it before I thought he ate. Look, but the fish are doing well.
Yeah.
Frinkers.
I see one fish over there.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
There's a few of them.
They're hiding somewhere. There's like
2
13
of them
of
over
them in
there,
there.
1 over there. Well, 13 of them.
They're probably, let's see.
And it looks real in the camera if
Maybe
you put
he's eating
closer,
some of
honey.
them. That would be nice. Because now it's seeing some there.
I'm waiting for them to fatten up.
Yeah.
It looks a real village. Buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Ang ganyan ang sadyang buhay. Loving you, it's a crazy cause you're beautiful. And everything that you do, still in love with you. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Ay, ay, ay. You are my destiny. Do you know that song?
Yep.
You know that song? That's very old song, love. You are my harmony. Wrong. You are my destiny. That's what we are. Ah, diba, honey? Oh, I can't believe you know that song, Han. Who sing that song? Somebody is trying to piss me off, mga loves. Another driver. Inovertikan ako. Okay naman yung speed limit ko. And then dito talaga sa harap ko, mga loves. Muntikan na yung binunggo yung puwitan niya. I told Tommy, if it's a fight, I will fight. And he watch. I will fight. Watch me. Honey? Watch me, watch me. Watch me whip. And watch me nay-nay. Is that what you want?
Yeah.
All right, I'll hold it for a little bit then, all right?
All right, perfect. I appreciate it.
Thanks, man, all right?
All
Bye.
right, thanks. Bye.
Nag-ano lang si Tommy ng gas. Naglagay ng gas ng sasakyan. Para alam naman kapag magbiyahe talaga ng malayo yung gas. Naalala ko tuloy noon yung $2 yung gas. Sobrang mura. Ngayon wala nang mura. Wala na talagang mura. Mapamura ka na lang mga loves. Dahil sa sobrang mahal. Hi mga loves! Kararating lang namin. And nag-order kami ng dinner para hindi na ako magluto. No? New Year's Eve kasi. And then, so nag-order kami. I don't know what Tommy ordered. Sounds like a blue something. I don't know. It looks like a pink to me. So So, kakain lang kami, guys. We have to eat first before feeding the kids. Kasi nga, we're starving. We don't have lunch. We don't have lunch. And then Tommy was, you know, keep eating this, how do you call this? And the butt of this container is oily. Okay, so, okay, make sure that, where's the paper plate in this thing? Nothing? No, I mean for the cover for that.
No, apparently not.
Oh, there is two of it. Oh.
No, we're all under the one, so.
Oh, okay, whatever.
I think you better serve yourself here.
So, kain lang kami mga loves kasi wala kaming dinner, wala kaming lunch. The dog will be like, oh, Roxy's starving already, eating dry food, oh. She's eating dry food. So, kain tayo ng bread. Meron din silang bread. And then, Tommy ordered some jalapeno, what is this? Poppers. And this is the, hala, they give you only very little, hon. The, what is that? Calamari thingy.
Yep.
So, I'll do mine, love. You can do yours that, you can have that, and you can have the other one. You know, can we do half-half?
Yeah, you can try both. That's the idea.
Okay. Hey, you get mad when I do that.
Okay.
You get mad. Look at your son, honey.
Yeah. Maybe we should put it up here.
Huh?
Maybe we should put it up here out of this pod.
So, ito yung chicken parm. And then, what is this, love?
Chicken cordon bleu.
Cordon?
Cordon bleu.
Oh, they look good. It looks good.
Stuffed with.
Okay, then let's have dinner. Somebody's over here, mga loves, already left. Somebody's on the chair. Hey, you don't have nothing here. This is for Dada's chair, okay? Dada's chair. You're not allowed here. Hey, listen. Little bug. Little boy. Okay? You stay put, okay?
Your chicken parm.
Huh?
I'm going to start with this. You need to go. You need to go. Oh boy.
So,
Oh.
this is really big. I need to cut it. So, ito yung mga dinner namin, mga loves. Diba, gutom? Halatang gutom si Mr. kasi usually, hindi yan magmadaling kumain. Wala kasing mga kain talaga. No? So, maaga yung dinner natin. O, punong-puno ng cheese. Uy! Hala. Na, he's fighting with his, ano?
Yep.
Because that's what the sign of, like, I'm starving and they don't feed me. Habs, behave yourself!
So then I'm giving you food, I'll fight.
I'm gonna try your thing later, okay? Can I try some? Okay. Cute. Kain. And chicken parm.
That's a calamari, that's some jalapeno.
Jalapeno peppers. Halahan, your son.
Yep.
Ah!
Behave yourselves, all of you.
Hubs is not happy. Sarap siya.
He said, where's my food?
Sarap. Hala. 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 A horsey. What's inside?
And provolone.
Sa Pilipinas, spaghetti, bihon, kinilaw, lechon. Dito, pasta. 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 Sarap. Kain tayo ng salad. Salad. Kamayin, kamayin.
Not your
Where
hand.
the-
Not your hand. Not your hand. Come in. Come in.
I don't wanna use it.
You want some chicken parm?
I wanna use my hand.
You want more chicken parm?
Huh?
More chicken parm?
No. Honey? I don't need fork.
Good for you. Fork is good for you.
Vinegar. Now return this. Return to sender. I don't want to use it. Vinegar eh.
You shake it up a little.
Huh?
You shake it, mix it.